Okay, so seizure is something, in simple words, it is also called fits. You know, a lot of people say that my child had fits, or somebody I know who has fits. Seizure, fits, all these are same things. In the movies, you will see people saying convulsions. People are having convulsions. That is also a seizure. The only thing is, it's a very dramatic type of a seizure where the body becomes stiff also, and then there is a jerkiness also. So you see the person has fainted and then they are having jerkiness and stiffness at the same time. But that is only one type. So now let's understand what are the two types of seizures. So seizures can be grouped into two types. One, where you lose your consciousness, right? Where you faint and you don't know what is happening around you. And maybe your body can be stiff, maybe it can have stiffness and jerkiness, maybe you are just fainted and you don't have any movement per se. Okay, there can be many types, but the basic thing is you faint. The other one is where you don't faint. So it can have many things, like for a child, the child suddenly laughs, or there can be any motor activities, twitching of the face, where the face muscles start twitching or the hand muscle starts twitching. This is all another type of seizure where the consciousness is not lost or where the person is not fainting. Now let's understand what are the causes of seizure, like why does it even happen. See, in our brain there are so many cells, okay, and every cell has a gap in between that. So if there is a gap in between that, then how will these cells communicate with each other? There are two ways. One, there will be chemical exchange. Another one is where there will be an electrical message that will jump from one cell to the other cell. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. If there is a sudden discharge of electrical message from one side, which is not normal, which is not how it is usually supposed to be, that will cause a seizure. Okay, so you can imagine that it is a voltage fluctuation, like how we have in a tube light. You know, when we turn it on, sometimes it goes flicker, 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 and then it turns on, just because there is a fluctuation in voltage. That is what is seizure inside our brain.